head up when you think you're falling behind, or you feel some kind of pain you think nobody knows. Convince yourself that you're all alone, splashing in your puddle of lies. Done that one too many times. How many travelers ride that train? Tell me, just how long can you run away? So open up, levees in your mind. Open up, magic in your spine. Open up the love you have inside and hold your people tight. And hold your head up when you think you're falling behind, 'cause we're students in a school of life, learning at the perfect time, dancing like a cloud on a sunny day. Just a gust of wind will send us on our way, kinda like the rhythm inside. Ooh, try to fight it, but someday we cross the line. So open up, levees in your mind. Open up, magic in your spine. Open up the love you have inside and hold your people tight.